So big thank you to you, Mr. Nordin, and we really wish you all the best in your career life and in your personal life. Last but not least, for the English department, yani, when I say the name, I'm sure that everybody here knows the name, Mr. Samir Saddour. So, thank you so much, Mr. Samir Saddour. Mr. Samir Saddour joined the university in 2007, correct me if I'm wrong. That was in Riyadh. 2004. 4? No, sir. 7, صح? Yes, 7. In Riyadh. And then, luckily, he moved to Jeddah, alhamdulillah. So, since I joined, he was already a senior in the area. So, he spent the time and moving through the ages of developing the university, since it was just small classrooms up to the, mashallah, building والcampus اللي انتم شايفينه الآن موجود. Thank you so much, Mr. Samir. You've been a great addition, and you did a lot, and you spent a lot of time in the university and in your office. We worked together, we went through so many difficulties, but mashallah, there were always a solution in your hand to solve all the problems that we went through. Thank you so much. Thank you for the trust that you've given to your students and to your colleagues. This is life. I know that this is life, and sometimes you have to go back home, but صراحة you know that the amount of appreciation and the amount of feelings that we have for you. So thank you so much. I'm speaking on behalf of the college, on behalf of the dean, on behalf of the student as well. I'm sure that the students are always in my office, and when we mention your name, mashallah. Sometimes students are visiting my office. In the past years, I'm talking about the history, to be honest. It's not about this year. Asking for Mr. Samir in particular to give a workshop in how to study or how to manage your time or how to do something. And he's been always there to support the student and to be there to help the student. Thank you so much, Mr. Samir. And we really wish you all the best in your career, in your future career, and in your personal life. And there will be always a home for you in here. So thank you so much again.